everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi reality TV show, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma nge-Married at First Sight season 3 loke esikuwona ke. Well guys, yesterday ama couple ethu uPrince nomuntu wakhe balungisa izinto, and on the other side guys they had a meeting, or they had dinner la bahlala khona bonke baxoxeke ngama experiences abo ukuthi ke how was it ukuba nobani bani, like are you getting along, what are the challenges you are facing, and you know zonke ke izinto ke ekanjalo. But abantu ke they're very worried ngo Nompumelelo kanye ke noHlulane. Guys, uHlulane ke uveza ukuthi ke yena bamembuza ukuthi how is the relationship between bona bo2 kuhamba kanjani. uHlulane washo ukuthi cha yena nje ungumuntu ke ohlonipha abantu besifazane, so abenzanga lutho in a way. But ngachazanga istory esiningi uthe nje unkosikazi wakhe bengangafili kahle after ke umshado. Maybe she was on her periods, maybe she was not in the mood, or usazama ukumfunda ukubona ukuthi ke bangayani ku next phase as much as beshadile. But I think I decision ingeyabo ukuthi bazoqala babe intimacy as like now, or they can take some times. But I felt like we conversation kaHlulane I decision kaNompumelelo akayithandanga indlela nje abechaza ngakhona, because he was like, I respect women, I don't force myself, and my wife wasn't feeling, you know, but for me I think he was just supposed to tell them ukuthi no right, but we decided ukuthi sithi kuma kancane ngalokho until you know isikhathi esithize. So now he gave the impression ukuthi ke uyancishwa ke ubhuti, you know, kanti ke laba abanye ngazi ukuthi vele zithema zithi nje zayikhala vele. So abantu ke they were like ikhapuli yethu sithandanga ngazi ukuthi ke iyona ke ezosiphoxa. Wathi ke omunye ke yena ubona ke uPortia kanye ke no Bongani ke lapha ya esasikade sibathembile nabo ke kodwa sagcina ke siphoxeka ke. So omunye uthe uMpumi is not feeling this guy. Imagine everyone is having their circle and you are only one starving. uHlulane and Nompumelelo will be Portia and Bongani of the season. Now I like Lesiba. Guys, Lesiba is this character nje hyper, but nakhona ku relationship yabo asengazuthi Lesiba uyena you know girlfriend or wife ka Lesiba akamthandi kahle, because uthi yena ungumuntu wesifazane oyithandela ke ukujima, uthanda ukuba fit and kanti uLesiba on the other side uyithandela nje utshwala kakhulu. So nabo uLesiba was bekhuluma kahle ngoMathidis, but uMathidis wena ayikho into enhle ayikhuluma ke nguLesiba. So guys, at this point I don't know ukuthi ke iyiphi relationship ocanga ukuthi wena izokwazi ukuthi ke isurvive kule season. I don't know guys. If I'm disappointed by uHlulane kanye noMpumelelo, I don't know guys, I don't know. But do leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi ucanga ukuthi iyiphi couple esingabambelela kuyona, because ekaMathidiso no Lesiba noMpumelelo kanye noHlulane yo this other couple I can't remember their names yo, maybe yona ke le kasisi lo munye ofaka iweave nje you know, maybe bona ke mhlambe bangadlulela ku stage esilane, because angibonanga idrama etheni ngibona. But again bese kuba uPrince is just a princess nje, uyadikila ashiya ama ring embedeni enzeni aphuma hambe. So angithembi relationship yabo. But anyway guys, do leave your comment below ukuthi wena ucanga ukuthi iphi relationship esingayithemba nesingabambelela kuyona ke kule season. Bye.